If your printer is showing as offline, don't worry. This is a common issue that can be fixed with a few simple steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to change an offline printer to online and get back to printing without frustration. Step 1. Check the basics first. Make sure your printer is turned on and properly connected. If you're using a USB cable, check that it's firmly plugged into both the printer and your computer. Try using a different USB port or even a different cable to rule out hardware issues. For wireless printers, ensure the printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. Restart your router if necessary, and check if your internet connection is stable. Step 2. Set the printer to online manually. Sometimes your printer is working fine, but Windows has set it to offline mode by mistake. To fix this, click the Start button and go to Control Panel. Select Devices and Printers. Right-click on your printer and choose See What's Printing. In the new window, click on Printer at the top menu and select Use Printer Online. Step 3. Clear stuck print jobs. Old print jobs stuck in the queue can cause the printer to appear offline. To fix this, go back to the See What's Printing window. Right-click any print jobs listed and select Cancel. Restart your computer and printer, then try printing again. Step 4. Reinstall the printer. If your printer is still offline, removing and reinstalling it might help. Open Devices and Printers again. Right-click your printer and choose Remove Device. Click Add a Printer and follow the instructions to reinstall it. Step 5. Update or reinstall printer drivers. An outdated or corrupt printer driver can also cause connection issues. To update it, type Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Find Printers, right-click your printer and select Update Driver. If updating doesn't work, go to the printer manufacturer's website, download the latest driver, and install it manually. Step 6. Restart network and printer. For wireless printers, a simple network reset can sometimes fix the issue. Restart your Wi-Fi router, then turn your printer off and on. Ensure your computer and printer are on the same network. Final thoughts. If your offline printer won't go online, one of these steps should fix the problem. However, if none of them work, it might be a hardware issue and you should contact the manufacturer or a technician. Also, consider whether fixing the printer is worth it. Sometimes, buying a new one can be a more cost-effective solution. By following these steps, you should be able to get your printer back online and printing smoothly in no time.